don't think
That's
there's dumb
hilarious.
questions though. I feel like that's where deeper understanding happens.
You're like,
Did anybody
what
try
sports
to
games
tell
are
the
tonight?
AI, ask yourself a question and answer it? So you give all the job to the AI.
Oh, dude, I simulate questions like that all the time because I actually use AI as a brainstorm. So I'll be like, what questions have I not asked or thought about? Simulate those answers, and then it goes off, and I haven't even thought about any of these. So yeah, I like the
For
simulations.
brainstorm, I use Grok
Grok.
Companion.
Just tell me you use a little hentai girl to talk dirty to you, Roberto. Come on.
That's exactly the trigger that makes my idea come out.
It does great spicy videos, that's for sure.
Wow.
If you
And
go
she'll
down that
talk
path.
dirty to me. That's funny.
Even that's being taken by AI now. Now there's
Exactly.
not a real hentai.
Before was the secretary that goes under the table, and now AI.
Tries to meet up with her.
I don't think blue collar jobs will be safe though. I mean, we have automated lawnmowers, right? Cleaning equipment, window washers. A lot of those are becoming automated.
Drones that collect fruit from the tree. I saw too.
Yeah,
I saw this video of a robot like crawling up the side of a ship doing something. I think it was either welding or
Please be
cleaning
AI.
or
Please be
painting or
AI.
something. It was just doing its thing. Like welding is like I've seen robots that weld like like they do these like I mean unbelievable like weld jobs.